for say? Come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to Keneishasays. Welcome back to another video. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment on the comment section, and please share. What you're looking on is currently the state of my office. Yes girl, it's a hot mess. But today we are going to transform my office because it's spring. So we're starting the spring cleaning. We're starting from my office. We're going into the lounge room. Basically, this is the basement of my home. So I want you to stay with me and watch me transform and clean. And as I said before, if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like the video, comment under the comment section, and share. So we're moving out into the lounge area, and this is how it's currently looking. Again, a hot mess. But once again, we are going to start the spring cleaning, and we're going to get this in tip-top shape and get it all ready for spring. Okay, so let's start cleaning. So we're starting off by getting rid of all these boxes. These boxes are due to my last Amazon spring haul. So we did not do anything, girl. They were all just hanging around in my basement because I told you I was not in the right state of mind from that time frame. I'm getting a little bit better right now. Still tired, but you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. So right now I'm just getting off my names and addresses of the information because we don't want nobody to be stealing our information, you know what I mean? Okay, so that's basically what we're doing right now, and then we'll be taking out every single thing out of this office because what? We are going to transform. Alright, so let's just grab your snack, subscribe, okay, and just watch me transform this office. Did I mention that my mom is here helping me as well? So she's a part of the spring cleaning, guys. And so right now we're taking down everything from off the wall, putting them aside because we're going to clean these walls. Now, instead of going old school and wipe down the walls like I normally would, no. I went online and I got this it's like a steamer thingy that's advertising all over TikTok. So I went ahead and I tried. It's a steamer 7-in-1 that should be able to clean everything and their mother. This was a joke. It wasted our time. It was just wetting up the place and just causing a mess. So I did continue to use it because I'm like, I already spent money, so we're gonna do this. But it was a waste of time and it took forever. Ridiculous. It is not what was advertised at all. It was at this point I realized I messed up. I was trying to reposition the desk, changing it completely, when I realized that I won't be able to get out. The chair won't be able to come in, and I won't be able to get out. So I had to do it all over again. So here my mom and I are trying to decide which is the best position for this desk because it's still not looking right. So we're trying to figure out, do we turn it, do we let it stay, do we put it back how it was before? So yeah, we'll see the outcome. After I started putting everything together, I still didn't like how the desk was looking. I wasn't liking what it was given. So once again, I changed it around. Now let's move on to the lounge area.
Who are you?
for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.